Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. So today, tuturuan ko kayo paano gumawa ng masarap na sausawan sa ating pang-negosyong siomai. At ito ang Sweet Soy Sauce. Kung gusto nyong malaman kung ano ang mga ingredients nito at kung ikaw ay bago sa aking channel, don't forget to click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! So let's start now. These are our ingredients: sugar, cinnamon powder, ground black pepper, soy sauce, and water. First, Unanimous Friends, i-combine natin yung soy sauce and water and sugar. Itong pack ng soy sauce na to, ang katumbas nito is 1 cup. Okay? 1 cup of soy sauce. Then we need 1 cup of sugar, but normally I use half cup of sugar lang para hindi masyadong matamis, but optional lang naman yun. But if you want ng mas matamis pa, you can use 1 cup of sugar. But I use half of cup sugar only. Unanimous friend, you can use any kind of sugar, white sugar, but I use brown sugar kasi mas masarap ito para sa panglasa ko. Preference ko lang naman. Then, i-dissolve natin yung sugar bago natin i-heat in the low fire. Haluin lang natin hanggang ma-dissolve yung sugar doon sa soy sauce and water. Unanimous friend, yan, lutuin natin sa low fire or medium fire. Then stir it, cook it in 3 to 5 minutes uncovered hanggang kumulo ito. Then add the spices. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Then stir it. Cook until 3 to 5 minutes in a low fire. After 3 to 5 minutes, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down. Unanimous friends, if you find this video a really big help, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video, because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you. I promise. I love you. Until next video.